Hey guys, it's Ava, and today I have a squishy package right here. It didn't come in like a different package, but I ripped it up and I didn't know that that was the package, so I just put it in this. So let's get started. Oh wait, and also I forgot the name of the squishy shop I ordered this from, but if I remember, I will put it in the comments below. So the first thing that I ordered, and it's kind of weird. So I ordered the 6-inch baguette squishy, and they give me the twisted bread squishy. And also, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but there's like a green mark right there. It looks like oh, I think it's toothpaste. It's like sticky. And yeah, again, I don't know if these are manufacturing defects, but still. It's like rips and cracks. So, not really happy with my first order, but it's really squishy though, so. So, my next squishy, I ordered a white marshmallow bun, and this is what I got. I got not only is not the white one, I got the pink one, and it's really defected. Like, do you see that? And there's supposed to be a face here, and there's not. Like, oh, right there, there's supposed to be a face. There's only like a dot right there. Like, and even better, look at the back. It's like ripped and cracked. It is super squishy, but still. It's like, next squishy. So I ordered an onsen bun, and yet again, they gave me a jumbo blush bun. And I already have this, so, and it's defected. Like, do you see that? I can literally pull that off. It's not that defective, but there's some cracks in the back. Can't really see, but there's a crack right there. And it is really squishy, but still, like, really, I ordered a onsen bun. Not really satisfied with this package so far. The next thing I pull out is this. I ordered a choco eclair, and they gave me this pink with rainbow sprinkle eclair, and I did not order this. And yet again, I have the squishy. So, I mean, it's squishy, but I'm gonna say it. Oh my god, this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like right there, huge line, it's cracked. But it is super squishy, but. My next squishy is, okay, so I ordered a just regular plain bun, like a regular bun, just plain, a deco bun, basically, and they gave me this jumbo hamburger bun, and this was like $5, and the one that I ordered is like $3. So, and this is squishy, but oh, there's defects there, and probably some in the back. But it is super soft. So. the last thing I pull out is the Shopkin donut. I did order this, but it's not even a donut. It's like literally cracked. Like, do you see that? It's cracked everywhere. Like, that's not even funny. Like, so, yeah, not really happy with that. Wait, there's something on this hamburger bun. Oh, it says SPOOF on it. Gotcha! This was a SPOOF. These I ordered like a really long time ago. So I hope you guys liked it. So please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!